You tell people before you even say anything, you give them a message, and if you're feeling strong or you're feeling weak, depending on how your body language is. People really can only hear 7% of the words you're saying. You're only really hearing 7% of my words, but what is you're focusing on is the tone. Am I energetic? Am I soft? Or whatever it is. 38% of the tone, but mostly it's my nonverbals. Mostly my nonverbals. I get up here in the morning, and Carol introduces me, and I come on and I say, "Hi, my name is Mickey. I come from Detroit, and I'm really happy." Where are we now? Oh yeah, I'm happy to be in Lansing today, and we're going to have a lot. You want to have a lot of fun? We're going to have a lot of fun today. No. Believe me, you're not here after lunch. You're not here after the first session. You're over at that new mall in Victoria's Secrets, aren't you? Because this is not going to be a fun day. See, the words I say have to be congruent with the way I'm saying them. There's a 4th grade boy. Little boy was a real excited little student, went up to the very, very busy 4th grade teacher and said, "Teacher, do you like what you do?" And the teacher didn't even look so busy and said, "Of course I do." Little boy says, "Well, you better inform your face."